Jennifer Draper. I'm a certified bank code instructor, and I help business owners increase their sales by up to 300%. I was compelled to take the Ignite Your Personal Presence course because I felt like I wasn't very integrated.
I'm Cynthia Pilka, owner and operator of Culinary Creations. The thing that compelled me to take the Ignite My Personal Brand Presence course, my business was working in kind of a stagnant state. I was about to actually stop and go towards a traditional job.
Suzanne really helped me through her program integrate who I am into my business and into my business practices. As a solo professional, this process has helped me create a consistent message across my social media, across my emails, all of my branding, everything I say, everything I do, the clothes I wear, the products I create, the way everything looks and the way I present everything now has an integrated look and feel to it.
My favorite part of the process was actually finding out who I am not, because by default, that expressed who I actually am. Last Chance has completely changed the landscape on which I operate.
If I hadn't taken this course, I would still be foundering a lot. When I came into the program, I was a little scattered.
If I had not taken this course, as I indicated earlier, I probably would not be in business today. I was searching for something that was going to compel me to stay in business and continue to do what I am passionate about. But I had, quite frankly, run to the end of my resources financially and maybe even emotionally. I was just frustrated.
Suzanne has a really good process that was put in place for a reason. And the reason is because it works. When somebody asks me about Suzanne's program, or when I'm telling somebody about Suzanne's program, what I tell them is that she's going to help you define your values. She's going to help you define the way you want to show up in the world. And you're going to be able to walk away with an integrated person presentation that you carry not just through your business, but through your personal life as well. I cannot recommend this program strongly enough. It is so great.
Invest in yourself and participate in this Ignite Your Brand Presence. It's an eye-opening experience. The business part of it is absolutely there, but in a strange sense, it's secondary because you learn more about yourself, about how you impact others, how you impact yourself. And that in turn, if you're passionate about your business, that all feeds right into that. More clients, more sales, more business opportunities. All those things, once you unlock that potential about yourself, the rest takes care of itself. So I would absolutely tell somebody this might be the first thing that you choose to do rather than all of the other things. This is absolutely where you should be.